C-Rad.
We're waiting to go into the bar, Cantina.
Alright, we're heading on in, man. We're inside the Cantina here. What's it called? Boba's Cantina? Olga's Cantina. So we were just in there. Wanted to check it out. We'd never been in there before. Not my cup of tea. Kind of reminded me of a loud nightclub, and I'm not really into that these days. They had some kind of weird drink you could get, and some weird food that kind of looked like Asian trail mix or something. So, wasn't real crazy about it. What'd you think?
It was okay. It was just neat to go in. You have to do a reservation just to be able to see the place. But it was okay to be. It was cool to be in there and see it. We got to see Rex. But yeah, other than that, I wouldn't do it again.
Star Wars nerd, what is this?
Sarlacc. It's a baby.
What?
It's a baby Sarlacc.
Oh, the thing they threw Boba Fett down?
Yes.
Jedi?
Yes.
Thank you, Star Wars nerd.
You're welcome. Holocrons. Kyber crystals. This is a Jedi holocron. And then there's Kyber crystals. Kyber crystals are what go inside the lightsaber that give it its glow.
Oh! All right, let's try this again. This time, don't break the ride. So apparently we got really lucky because we got in. Now, what did we win?
We got group 35. 35 for Rise of the Resistance.
Okay, so apparently this is not easy to do.
We're going inside. Rise of the Resistance.
The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. May the Force be with us.
What's happening? What's happening?
We're helping the Resistance. Let's go.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
There's nowhere to run.
I can't help you from here. You need to fix it yourselves.
Okay, so this is what it looks like in here with all the lights turned on. So. That's not something that you'll see every day.
It's just really cool because it broke down, so we got a fast pass to return. They don't have the regular fast pass open yet, but now we're going through what will be the fast pass lane once that opens. So we're actually going to get to ride it pretty much 1.5 times.
And is this like the back door or something?
This is the back door.
Wow.
Hi, recruits.
Hi.
I'll have you wait here for just one moment.
No worries.
Transport is away in 30 seconds.
I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vicara. Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute. Round 2, Blue 5. We got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll go get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Little Twig, get out there.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
You are not permitted to stop in the hangar bay. Continue all the way down.
Big long name troopers, mate.
Single file, where are you
Yes,
going?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a friendly off. Fire. The escape pods just below us. Follow us down. Fire. No, not. I sit down.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target.
Nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant?
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
All right, we came to see what we saw and we seen it.
If you like what you saw, make sure to give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss seeing us in the future.
All right, I guess there's only one thing to say now, and that's we'll see you later.